The SDVoE Alliance continues to facilitate true AV-IT convergence. Together with their trusted partners, they've built an alliance of equipment manufacturers, software developers, chipset designers, and system integrators. So let's take a look on their new Certified Design House. What's happening, AV Tweeps? I am Alesia Hendley, aka The Smooth Factor, and I am here with SDVoE.
How we doing, Alesia? Oh my gosh, so good to see you.
Good to see you, man. I'm so excited to be talking to you today because I saw you doing some cool stuff. You and your team are always innovating, staying ahead of the curve. So I had to sit down and ask you about it.
I'm happy to sit down and talk.
The SDVoE Certified Design House.
Yes.
Why did you and your team apply for this?
I know, it's pretty amazing. So the first higher ed institution to be an SDVoE certified design house. And we did it because we're always looking at the direction technology is moving in. Obviously, we always talk about AT and AT. How about AV and IT and, kind of where AV over IP is going and the technologies that are out there and the innovations. And my team is always challenging themselves to say, what's out there? What can we learn? And the next thing we know, we're partnering with SDVoE and they're like, we've got the design house. Why don't you get all your people here certified in this knowledge? And now I can watch my team come together, have ideas and go, look at how we can solve the problems that we're facing. And it's a great solution. And it was just a natural step for us.
I love that. Always staying ahead of the curve. Like I said, you and your team are doing some really great things there at USC. So what 3 benefits does being a part of the SDVoE, certified design house, what benefits does it bring to you and your team as somebody who's kind of the in-house integrator a little bit?
Yeah, a lot of benefits. One, obviously it legitimizes, what we're doing, right? To say, hey, we want to show that we are professionals just like everybody else, even if we are end users, in-house integrators, right? But beyond that, it's the network and the ability to connect with so many manufacturers and others with that knowledge, just being part of that larger family, because that's really what we have to rely on. That our team, you can't live in an island. You can't be sufficient just thinking you're going to be on your own. So being able to be part of a larger network where we can help and grow. And, at USC, we like to be firsts, right?
Yeah, you do.
but someone has to, because we really want the rest of higher ed to say, we should do that too. And so by being that first, we can now open that door for others. At HETMA, we just did some trainings with SDVoE, and we're going to continue doing that and hopefully be able to have a program where other schools can come in and be design houses themselves.
I like it. So staying ahead of the curve as far as technology, being leaders in the community, and then also relying on the community as well is bringing it all together and leading you and your team to a clear path forward.
Absolutely. That's exactly it.
Awesome. Joe, thank you so much for your time. Where can the people find you?
They can find me at SDVoE on all of the socials, of course.
Awesome. Thank you for your time. And this has been a quick episode with Joe Way about why he and his team are a part of the SDVoE Design Certified House. All right, so anybody who is familiar with the SDVoE Alliance, you know that education is at the forefront. So I myself wanted to get educated a little bit about the Certified Design House. Justin, what is that? What is the Certified Design House?
Certified Design House is a certification that we give not to individuals but to companies that allows an integration firm, an AV consulting firm, design firm, the ability to go out to the market and say, we understand SDVoE technology, we understand how to implement it, and so the end user knows that a certified design house is someone they can rely on to install this technology and use it to its full potential.
So it helps an entire team, per se, SDVoE's team, right?
There you go.
Their entire team basically exhibit their expertise with SDVoE technology.
That's it, right? We spend our time talking to not only the integrators, the designers, but also to the end users, right? We want an end user to understand what SDVoE is, what it can do for them, and then if I do my job right, they're going to wake up and say, that sounds great, how do I get this installed?
Yeah.
And the idea is, go find a certified design house, they're going to know how to get you through it and how to get it in for you.
Okay, so a design house is a group of people, but when it comes to certified design partner, what is the difference there?
Yeah, a certified design partner is the individual that has completed our certification. And so the interaction there is individuals, anybody who wants to, can go to the SDVoE Academy, can watch our training, take and pass an exam, and they become a certified design partner. The way to become a certified design house, that's something for a company. And so a company needs to have a certain number of its people. We say 25% of your technical employees need to be certified design partners.
Gotcha.
Right? That tells the end customer, inside this company, there is sufficient expertise that if you hire that company to do your SDVoE install, they're going to succeed.
All right, so tell us about the mission, right? You're all about education. That's all I've known ever since I met you. It's been about education, right?
Yeah.
I've even got my SDVoE certified.
You're a design partner.
I'm a design partner.
Congratulations.
Right? It's important. It's important to stay ahead of the curve and learn about this technology. But as an alliance, what's your mission to continue pushing this kind of stuff to the forefront, to the industry?
Well, I mean, there's two key tenets to what we're trying to do, right? Number one is we want to push AV over IP as how we move audio and video signals around, right? We need to get off of the old matrix switch and into the network. And I think, in the last 10 years that I've been worried about AV over IP, we've really started to see some traction on that. It's a commonplace way to do it now. But further to that, we want to make sure that the industry takes advantage of this transition from a matrix switch to AV over IP to also transition away from proprietary single manufacturer approaches to technology and moving into a more open, more interoperable way to do things, right? So SDVoE, we now have 60 members, hundreds of products that are all shipping, and that allows a marketplace where it's easier to focus on the application, easier to focus on the user, and you don't have to focus as much on who is this specific manufacturer I'm only dealing with and what are their specific capabilities and limitations.
Gotcha. So we got partners, we've got education, we got certifications, and we have interoperability.
Yes.
I love it. I love it. As you all can see, the SDVoE Alliance is all about bringing people, technology, and businesses together. Head over to sdvoe.org to learn more about how you can apply to get your certified design house status today.